So why isn't every hair clinic doing long hair FUE, or why aren't robots doing long hair FUE? Hi, I'm Dr. Danyo from North Atlanta Hair Restoration, and I'm here to answer that question. There are three things that make long hair FUE difficult to do. First, visibility. It's extremely difficult to do procedures with long hair and do this accurately. Secondly, is the actual procedure itself. Coring long hair fibers takes a different mindset and a different hand adjustment, which requires years of experience to be able to do efficiently. And third is the actual implantation of long hair into the recipient site, which is far different than when you're placing short grafts on a shaved FUE case. I've been doing hair transplantation since 2012. I was one of the first physicians to incorporate a no-shave or shaveless procedure for our patients beginning in 2013, and we've made that a mainstay of our practice. We have now started moving more towards long hair FUE, where we take the full length of the follicle from the back and sides of the head into the balding areas to give the most accurate and previewed type hair transplant available. So the question is, why aren't other clinics doing this? First of all, just doing regular FUE, and I'm talking where your whole head is shaved, is extremely difficult. It requires an educated provider with experience to do it, and it requires an experienced staff. And unfortunately, there are a lot of clinics that, first of all, provide very bad results following FUE because they're just not skilled and kind of dedicated to it. And then when you add other variables such as long hair and or no shave procedures for concealment, you're adding multiple layers of difficulty from a performance standpoint for the provider and for the team. At North Atlanta Hair Restoration, under my direction, we have a different mentality. We look at what patients are desiring and we fulfill those desires. People want concealment and they want to know exactly what they look like leaving the procedure, and that's what long hair FUE provides. The difficulty with long hair FUE is that you're working in an environment where there's long hair and you're having to leave hair that you're not taking alone. And so visibility becomes an issue. And so there's a huge technical component to that for myself and for my team. There is a massive amount of learning that's required. And it's not something you can just take a course and say, oh, I'm going to start doing this. This requires dedication, massive perseverance. I liken this from a sports standpoint to somebody running a 5K versus somebody running a marathon. Or somebody running a marathon with, say, a backpack on their back. This is a very heavy lift, but we're more than capable of doing it, and we're excited to provide this for our patients. Give us a call at 678-845-7521 or visit our website at nahairrestoration.com.